Hey, what's up? This is Panky. Welcome back to my channel. Christmas is already in the air and I have a recipe that could probably help you this holiday season. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake a fluffy and moist banana bread. But before that, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click the bell icon for you to receive notifications. Moist banana bread is the easiest pastries that you can bake this Christmas season. In fact, you can make plenty of this and give it as a present or gift to your friends and loved ones. You can also sell this if you're looking for extra income or profit this holiday. Now let me show you how to bake the moist banana bread. Mash about 4 overripe bananas. I would strongly recommend the overripe banana than the ripe one, as to have a perfect sweetness and flavor of the banana bread. The just ripe banana might still give you a sour cake that you wouldn't want to taste in your banana bread. Combine all the dry ingredients: 1½ cup of sifted flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. On a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup vegetable oil and 1 cup light brown sugar using an electric mixer. Add one at a time 2 whole large eggs and 1 egg yolk. Make sure that the electric mixer is set at the lowest by this time. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Then add the milk. It's your choice if you want a whole milk, low-fat milk, but my preference is non-fat milk. After properly mixing the ingredients, add the mashed overripe bananas. Combine the dry ingredients and properly mix them. Prepare the loaf pan by greasing it with a butter wrapper. Then pour over the combined ingredients. Bake for about 60 minutes to a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. Have the bread cool off a rack. Make sure that the bread is cooled off before removing it from the loaf pan. Slice the bread depending on your preference. There you have it, moist and fluffy banana bread. That's all for now. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have questions, kindly post it as a comment down below. And also please check out my other recipe videos. You can see it on your screen and on my profile. And I hope to see you again on my next video. See ya!